Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable drive from a USB drive. So it is a very easy trick that you can learn. It doesn't take much time, and let's get into it. So you just have to have the drive that you want to make bootable, and then you can go on the internet and download a tool by the name let me show you the tool. I've already downloaded it. Rufus. It's called Rufus. The latest version as of 2020 on the 2nd of November. It's the version 3.1. So you just download it and open it up. So make sure you have inserted the drive that you want to make bootable. So it will ask for administrator permission, so allow it. So you just have to load a little bit, and there it is. So this is Rufus, the latest version. Other versions look different, but you can check it out. You pick the one that is best suited for you, but this is the tool. So what you do here, you just come here and you choose there is the drive that you want. So it's just one drive that is inserted, so it will be that one only. So the next thing you do, you come here and select the ISO that you want to work with. So when you just come and select here and go to the place where you've stored your ISO files. For me, they are in this place we call here they are. So I'll choose just one, a random one. I'll choose this one because it's a fast operating system. It won't take much time. But you can choose Windows 10. Windows 10. There is Ubuntu. Any operating system you want to boot, you can choose that one. So after that, as you can see, it has been detected and it has been loaded. So there is another partition here that says it's MBR. So mostly I don't recommend changing this because the tool Rufus automatically detects the format of your drive. So and then there is the target system. It's all loaded. The only thing you can change maybe is the CD-ROM, but I don't advise you to change. Let everything stay as it is. The only thing you are supposed to do is just come here and click start. So you have there is a prompt that comes up, as you can see. You are supposed to read it, and once you understand it, you can write in ISO mode. But if you have tried to boot your drive again and it has showed some problems during the boot, you can use the DD image mode. So just click OK. So it will start, and it says all the data that is on the drive will be deleted. So make sure the drive has nothing important or nothing you wouldn't want to lose. So click OK, and so it deletes all the partitions and does its thing. And once it's completed, I'll continue as once it completes. So it's almost done. Finalizing, please wait. So you have to be a little patient with these computer processes. Now it says it's ready, so we can just close this one and open up the Windows Explorer window. So here we go. As you can see here, it has been renamed to CD-ROM, and if you can see, the drive is reads 29.2 when it's empty, but now it reads 29.0 because the operating system that has been booted here is like 200 MB. So that's it. So that is the process of creating a bootable drive. So after that, you are supposed to install, and if you want to see the installation process, you can head over to my other channel, Kareka Junior. I'll be doing the installation there with my machines, and I'll hope to see you there. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.